one straight ahead's lost its roof. All 4 or 5 of those have lost their roof there. These are all people's homes, goodness. It's probably the roof of that one on the left. Carnage, absolute carnage. One on the corner's gone. There's the roof. We're at the in-laws' place now. Goodness. That is the roof of the one on the right, in the middle of the road there. Sing ciao everybody, welcome back. Look, I've got another one for you because I've been around a fair bit of the town and there is absolute carnage here. I've just got to a relative's place. Now, it's not their house, but it's the one next door, or across the road. The whole restaurant's gone and the roof's in the middle of the road. Now, you're watching Vietnam Steve. Haven't got a good one for you today. I mean, that is a restaurant there. I've eaten at that restaurant. And that is the roof in the middle of the road. I've been past about 40 houses with roofs missing, out of about 60 near the Dragon Castle. And just had to stop then. A bloke was going to run me over. I'm just going to put together this Devastation compilation for you. So sit back, have a look at some of the devastation I've seen as I drove around Vietnam. He's offering me a beer. So even though there's devastation everywhere, he's offering me a beer. Strap in, Devastation compilation. The old Ferris wheel up there's lost a few carriages. Some money out of the ATM. Oh dear. No ATM machine. This place has taken a beating. Looks like we lost the ceiling here. Yep, that'd be the ceiling. So all the power's off over here. This one, look at this. Oh, we lost the front door. No front door, gone. All right, we're all okay. We haven't got up to level 18. This is the front door of the apartment block, as you can see, completely blown in. Lifts are out of service. They're all covered in mud in there because obviously we've got a construction site here, and with 300km/h winds, and you look at that hillside, it's just been decimated up there. It's blown in these doors and nailed the elevators. That place across the road's lost his roof. That's the market. A few big trees come down there. This whole hillside's been devastated up there. This bloke's lost his roof here. And it's just a shame to see a few trees coming in sideways. Whole house behind that truck up there, a whole house has come down. We've had to come out this door because there's something coming off the roof out the door we normally go out, and not allowed to walk underneath that. It's not going to be good. Look here, the hillside's given way behind that house there, so that's come down and washed the house away. Terrible, terrible. Absolute devastation. Even that truck has had his front window smashed in. He's out helping, but he's lost the windscreen on his truck. So I've just been past about 25 houses without roofs. This is looks like it's hit a lot harder here than other places. That place there's lost its roof. Sister-in-law's just up around the corner here. I hope they're okay. So this hill here looks right out over Harlong Bay, and Devastation up the top here. That house is gone. Gone. Look at this. Sister-in-law's house on the corner here. Apart from a few trees, they seem to be okay. We're going to go in there and investigate. Decidedly brown. This is over on the Bai Chai side now, and these would have got the brunt coming in here. So we just got a wire hanging across the road here. Made it underneath that one. I can't see power coming back here for a couple of weeks. This hotel over here has lost all these windows out the front. Every level smashed. Of course that's the restaurant and the roof over here. Everywhere you look, devastation. So this official looking building up here with the red roof, that's the police station. I'd say the police station is pretty well stuffed. They're going to have to get off their ass and do something now. Look at that. Wrecked. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll be away for a while. I've got a fair bit of cleaning up to do here. See you in the next one.